And here we are given sum of two numbers is 15. Right. And the arithmetic mean of those two numbers is 25% higher than geometric mean. Right. Then what are these two numbers? In this case, what is arithmetic mean of two numbers? Arithmetic mean of two numbers is a plus b by 2. Right. What is geometric mean? Root of ab. Right. We are given sum of two numbers. We are given a plus b. When you are given a plus b equals 15, that means a plus b by 2 should become 7.5. Right. And 7.5 equals 1.25 times GM. What does that mean? The geometric mean is 7.5 by 1.25, which is 6. Right. 6 times 1.25 is 7.5. Right. So GM becomes when AM is 7.5, which is 15 by 2, A plus B by 2. GM is 7.5 by 1.25, which is 6. That means what is GM? Root of AB is 6. That means AB is 36. Right. Now, what is A minus B whole square? A minus B whole square is A plus B whole square minus 4AB. Right. What is A plus B whole square? A plus B is already given as 15. Right. 15 square is 225. 225 minus 4 times AB is 36. 4 times 36 is 144. Right. So this becomes A minus B becomes 225 minus 144. Right. 225 minus 144. So A minus B can be A minus B square is 81. A minus B is plus or minus 9. Right. When A plus B is 15 and A minus B can be 9 or A minus can be A minus B can be minus 9. A plus B is 15, A minus B is 9. What does that mean? 2A becomes 24. Right. 2A becomes 24. When A plus B is 15, A minus B is minus 9. Right. Then 2A becomes 6. So 2A can be either 24 or 6. What does that mean? A can be either 12 or 3. What does that mean? B can be, A plus B is actually 15. B can be 3 or 1. So 9 and minus 1 they signify the same thing. These two numbers are basically 12 and 3. The average of 12 and 3, because arithmetic mean is 15 by 2, which is 7.5. And what is the geometric mean? 3 times 12, which is 36. Under root of 36 is 6. So these are the two numbers. It's a simple problem. Just that we used a minus b whole square equals a plus b whole square minus 4ab. And ab we have derived from this relation which is already given. Am first we have derived arithmetic mean, and then geometric mean we have derived from this equation that is given. Right, yes. Thank you.